Final reveal for a kitchen install we did for clients in Tenafly, New Jersey. As you enter the kitchen, you have a lovely 4-seat countertop height island. Beautiful marble stone overhang on the countertop. Large 36-inch wide sink cabinet and drawers. Dishwasher on the island. Clients are going to opt for a wider refrigerator that actually fits into this 36-inch space soon, but they currently are going with their existing refrigerator. Here we have a microwave drawer built into the lower cabinet. Push button and opens. These typically go into a 24-inch wide cabinet, but we opted, because we had space for a 30-inch cabinet, to go there and put some custom filler pieces on the side. Actually vented out on the bottom where the HVAC comes out for the kitchen. Backsplash just over the cooktop, convection cooktop, and oven hood. Lots of storage for all of the cooking essentials right next to the stove. And the soffit called for a lower pantry cabinet on the left side of the oven cabinet. And that is a Furnish My Space kitchen.